Most women over 50 have spent years looking after everyone else. Children, parents, spouses, friends. But here's a question we rarely stop to ask ourselves. What if looking after yourself is one of the most caring things you could do for you and the people you love? Hi, I'm Wendy. I help women over 50 rebuild strength, confidence, and vitality with simple fitness and longevity strategies that fit real life. For years, I believed discipline meant putting everyone else first, working harder, doing more, taking care of everyone else's needs before my own. I thought that made me responsible, but I missed something really important. There came a point when my own body forced me to slow down. Years of stress and caregiving had taken their toll. I knew how to care for everyone else. I just hadn't learned how to take care for myself. That experience completely changed how I think about fitness. I no longer see walking, strength training, eating well, or getting enough sleep as selfish. I see them as investments. Every walk, every strength session, every healthy meal, every good night's sleep. It builds the strength and energy I'll need for the years ahead so I can continue showing up for myself and the people I love. Fitness after 50 isn't about looking 25 again. It's about remaining capable, carrying your own groceries easily, traveling with confidence, playing with the grandkids, especially getting up from the floor, continuing to enjoy life. One of the greatest gifts you can give the people you love is becoming strong enough that they don't have to worry about you. Looking after yourself, it doesn't take away from your family. It helps you stay healthy enough to keep being a part of their lives. That's why fitness isn't selfish. Fitness isn't about choosing yourself instead of the people you love. It's about staying strong enough to care for yourself and to keep showing up for them as long as possible. That's wisdom. One simple thing today. Take one short walk today, not because you have to, because you're choosing to look after the person you'll become. Every step is an investment in your future, your strength, health, and your independence. And if you're ready to begin building a stronger, healthier future you, I'd love to help. Download your copy of my free 5-step plan for strength and longevity. The link is in the description. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. It really does help this message reach more women who need it. Because remember, strength protects independence.